Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a cleaning motivation for you guys along with some laundry that I have to fold and put away. I hope you guys enjoy today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet, and leave me a comment. I'm changing the sheets. As you guys know, I recently did a review on this comforter and I absolutely love it. It has made sleeping so much more better. Let me not talk about that. So let me take a moment to introduce you guys to these Avolare pillowcases. I absolutely love them. I've been sleeping on them for a few nights now, and I am amazed at how awesome they feel. First of all, I love the material. It's a stretchy material, and I love the fact that it has a zippers, so even when I twist and turn, because you know I'll be twisting and turning through the night, and they don't move. They feel so comfortable. I have a coupon code, and I'm gonna leave a link to the pillowcases in the description box, so definitely go ahead and check them out. This is super cool. It is actually zippered, so I love that fact, so it will stay on the pillows. So I love that, so no matter how much I twist and turn, it won't move. So that is awesome. The material is made from Japanese cooling silky fabric. It provides a natural, skin-friendly, ultra-cooling, breathable experience for when you're sleeping. The fabric is spandex stretch fabric, and it's better for your hair and skin. It's machine washable, and because of the stretchy material, it fits standard size pillows of other shapes. And if you are a hot sleeper who tends to get overheated when you sleep, so these cooling pillowcases are perfect for people who sweat a lot while they sleep, have hot flashes, maybe going through menopause. These will definitely help you 100%. You can find Arch Chill. You can find it products on Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link to this pillowcase along with a discount code. You can go ahead and shop their products along with the coupon code. You can find them on Amazon, and the pillowcases are absolutely perfect. So once again, thank you to Avolare for sending me over these Arch Chill pillowcases. Absolutely love them, and I've been enjoying the pillowcases. And guys, I know you guys see me spraying the bed after I done made the bed. I totally forgot to spray the bed, even though the sprayer was right there in my face. I totally forgot to spray. That's what happens with me when I'm cleaning and filming. Like, I forget to do stuff. I don't know what's wrong. That's the majority of the time when I'm in the zone and I want to do a really deep clean, I don't pick up the camera because I just want to just zone out and just get it done. But yeah, I forgot, and that's why I went back and did that.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it.
ordered these off Timu, and they just been sitting in a jar because I just couldn't get around to them. I was just too lazy and I kept putting it off, but I finally decided to do it today and tackle them. It's not 100% and it's not the best, but for now it works. I just gotta do what I gotta do. I need to really declutter this jar and get rid of a ton of stuff, except those headbands. They are new and I need to wear them more. So I will be getting rid of those. But this is not 100%, but for now it works. And if you guys made it this far and you're still here, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. Definitely go ahead and check out Avolare arched pillowcases and use the discount code in the description box. Once again, guys, thanks for being here. Until next time, blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, and a fabulous year. I love you all and thank you so much for being here, and I can't wait to see you in my next one.